The vertical rows of elements in the periodic tables are called groups or families. Elements in each group have the same number of electrons in their valence shell and therefore show similar chemical properties. For example, if there is element in group 1A, so they have same valence electron in their shell. All elements of group 1A have one electron in their valence shell. There are 8 groups in modern periodic table, which are further subdivided into 2 subgroups, that is subgroup A and subgroup B. The subgroup A elements are called normal or representative elements, while the subgroup B elements are called outer transition elements. There are 8 groups. Every group have their own name. 1A group elements are called alkali metal. Group 2A group elements are called alkaline earth metal. 3A groups elements are called boron family. 4th A group elements are called carbon family. 5th A group elements are called nitrogen family. 6th A group elements are called chalcogens, copper ore formers, or oxygen family. 7A group elements are called halogens, salt formers. इस ग्रुप के एलिमेंट्स सॉल्ट फॉर्मेशन करते हैं, इसलिए इनको हम हेलोजेंस कहते हैं. While 8A group elements are called noble gases, inert gases, or rare gases. We call them inert gases because they never do any chemical reaction. Noble gases के outermost 8 electrons, sp2 electrons और outermost valence electrons complete होते हैं. Therefore, ये कभी भी reactions में नहीं जाते, ये inert रहते हैं. Let's start with group 1A, alkali metals. Alkali metals consist of lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. The general characteristics of these elements they are called alkali metals because they form alkalis. What are the alkalis? Alkalis are those hydroxides containing bases which are water soluble. ये बेस बनाती हैं, ये सो हाइड्रोक्साइड्स बनाती हैं, सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड्स, पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड्स, तो इसलिए हम इनको अल्कली कहते हैं. These elements are very soft. They are the most electropositive element of the periodic table. These elements are very reactive as they can lose electron easily. These elements have one electron in their valence shell. They lose their one electrons to form ionic bond with other elements. As I told you that वो हर एलिमेंट केमिकल रिएक्शन में जाता है जिसके इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कम या ज़्यादा हों. ये रिएक्टिव है हाईली बिकॉज ये अपना जो आउटर मोस्ट वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन है वो इजीली लूज कर सकते हैं. जब इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करते हैं तो उसके बाद ये केमिकल रिएक्शंस में जाते हैं. इन सब एलिमेंट्स के जो आउटर मोस्ट वैलेंस ऑर्बिटल है उसमें 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन है, इसलिए हमने इनको ग्रुप 1 में रखा हुआ है. अगर हम इनके इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में आपको बताऊं, हाइड्रोजन की, सोडियम, पोटेशियम, रुबिडियम की, तो इनके सब के आउटर मोस्ट ऑर्बिटल में 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन है, तो इसलिए हमने इनको ग्रुप 1A में रखा हुआ है. So group 2A elements are called alkaline earth metal because we obtain it from earth, and they also made basic oxides and basic hydroxides. So they are called alkali, and because of earth extraction, they are called alkaline earth metal. It includes elements beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and radium. Let's choose electronic configuration. We start with from beryllium. Beryllium का 4 atomic number है. जब हम इसकी electronic configuration करें 1s2, 2s2, तो it means it has 2 electrons in its outermost shell. Similarly, second जो एलिमेंट है मैग्नीशियम, इसके इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन करें तो इसके आउटर मोस्ट में भी 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आते हैं. 1s2, 2s2, p6, 3s2. 12 इलेक्ट्रॉन की डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन किया तो आउटर मोस्ट में 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आए हैं. सिमिलरली कैल्शियम जो थर्ड एलिमेंट है वो 20 है, उसका एटॉमिक नंबर है. जब उन 20 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करें तो हमारे पास इसके भी आउटर मोस्ट में 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आते हैं. सो इट मीन्स दे आल प्लेस्ड we placed all these elements in group 2 because of their valence electron which is 2. So these elements are in group 2 because they have 2 electrons.